Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make beautiful cord made of heart segments. Let's look at the segment. Each segment has trim. Let's take a look at the back side. For example, I have made exact cord of another color of yarn. In this case, this cord consists of 3 segments. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain and pull, then chain more, then chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook and make cluster made of 3 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the heart is ready. Before I start the work, I show you the direction in crocheting. Firstly, I'm going to work here and work with the stitch that is closer to the first one. Then continue working with the opposite side, with this one and with this. Let's make the segment. Chain 2 to bring up the yarn. Work with this stitch. Make 5 double crochet not finish into this stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. We have 2 loops on the hook. Work with the next stitch. Work into this stitch. Make 5 double crochet not finish and 2 treble crochet not finish. Make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make treble crochet 2 times, 1 and 2. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till you will get 3 loops on the hook. We have 3 loops on the hook. The first side of the heart is ready. Let's make the second side. For this I turn the work, and while turning the work I remove the hook and insert the hook from the second side. Yarn over the hook. Work with stitch that is inside. 5 double crochet not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through 2 loops, till you will get 4 loops on the hook. I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook. Make 5 double crochet not finish and 2 treble crochet not finish. Make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have done 5 stitches and make 2 treble crochet not finish. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till the end of the strings. Now I have 5 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Chain, pull a little bit. Now I turn the work to the front side and we stop and look at my segment. My heart with trim is ready. Now I show you how to make the base for the second segment. Make a chain 3 to bring up the yarn. Make cluster made of 3 treble crochet stitches. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook like this. You should work with 2 threads. 1, 2, and 3. And pull through all loops on the hook. Then you should make the next segment in the same way as I showed you before. My small cord is ready. This cord consists of 3 heart segments with trims. You can use one segment to create earring or brooch for yourself. Exact cord of another color of yarn. In this case I used yellow color. This cord consists of 4 heart segments. Such cord you can use to create belt, bracelet, necklace, and other accessories. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Щось одула рожала, конечно.